Many people dream of working with Disney, but don't know where to start or how to make it happen. If you've ever wished to create magic with one of the most favorite companies in the world, keep watching because I'm going to show you how. So first, you're going to think about your skills. If you're an artist, try using Disney's partner program to submit your artwork to their official stores. It's a great way to get noticed. Now, another option is to apply for Disney internships, where you can gain hands-on experience in animation, marketing, or even storytelling. Now, another great idea is to look at Disney's job openings on their website. All right? You can find roles in customer service, animation, writing, and more. Then, don't forget about Disney's licensing opportunities. If you have a product idea, you can team up with Disney to create something amazing. Lastly, be sure to network with people in the entertainment industry to find hidden opportunities with Disney. All right? Now, if you're excited to make your Disney dreams come true, hit that like button, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.